Sunlit rooms in the dawn of the day are gone and now replaced with sunburned scars. 'Cause now it's raining on the highway, and all I wanna do is jump out of the car. 'Cause this town is fucking with my head. Don't wanna be alive, I wanna die instead. And holding on will only get me so far. It's pouring to the ashes by the time I lift my head. But what if I like it when the rain comes down? What if it hurts me when you say I'm safe and sound? What do I do when there's no air and I drown? 'Cause I need someone now, but I'm just breathing in and out. Shattered glass from the window pane. Midnight traffic is driving me insane. From the backseat, chased my dreams till I chased them away. Close my eyes with my music in and tear stains on the white sheet. 'Cause I sort of like it when the rain comes down. And it kinda worries me when you say I'm safe and sound. 'Cause what do I do when there's no air and I drown? 'Cause I need someone now, but I'm just breathing in and out. So how can I trust when all I've been is hurt? Do what you must, believe me in the dirt. I put on a fake smile every day, hold back my tears as I push it all away. And I've been betrayed and I've been left behind, but I still just can't seem to make up my mind. Let myself die like I've been in the wrong, but you don't know what it's like to lose everyone. I always stand here when the rain comes down, 'cause in all my life I've never been safe and sound. No one would know, so who cares if I drown? 'Cause in the silence the only sound is I'm breathing in